Assalamualaikum everyone. Okay, let's continue with the integration by parts for case number 3, where you have the function of a repeatable function times another repeatable function. Okay, here is the example for the integration by parts for case 3. So we have here evaluate the integration of ex sine 2x dx. Okay, firstly, when you have the integration of a functions, you need to identify the types of that functions. Okay, so here we have the product functions. Okay, where you have here is ex times with the sine 2x. Okay, so since it is a product function, so we will integrate by using, yes, integration by parts. Alright, so let's look at here. We have exponent. So the exponent is a repeatable function, and the sine 2x is also a repeatable function. So this is in the case number 3. Right, next we will identify the types of each function. So we have here e, and we have t, exponential and trigonometric function. So based on the Liate, okay, we have two function here, that is exponent and trigonometry. Okay, so the function which comes first from the left will be your u, and e will be your dv. Okay, so now let's see here. We have let u, so we just put here, we have let u is a trigonometric function, so we have here is sine 2x, and then we have dv is ex. Don't forget, please bring along your dx. Okay, so next you need to find the du dx. Okay, du dx. Okay, remember, when you differentiate, please differentiate carefully. Okay, if you have a composite functions, that means you need to differentiate inside the function. For example, in this one we have sine of 2x. So when you differentiate sine, okay, differentiate sine, you will get it is cos 2x, and then you need to differentiate inside the function. So we have integration of 2x is times 2. Okay, class? Alright. Okay, now we have your du will be 2 cos 2x dx. Okay, next continue with your dv. You need to integrate your dv. So integration of dv, you will get it is v equals to, and integration of ex, you will get ex. Okay, now you will substitute in your solution. Okay, the formula that you have here is, okay, the formula is integration of u dv equals to uv minus integration of v du. Okay, so your left hand side will be the question, the original question. So we have here the integration of ex sine 2x dx, and now you can substitute in your formula. So u is sine 2x, okay, and your v is ex, and then integration of v du. So where is your v? It is ex, and your du is 2 cos 2x dx. Okay, then continue. Now we will have it is ex sine 2x minus the integration of, so we have here 2, the integration of ex cos 2x dx. So now we have the problem here is how to integrate the integration of ex cos 2x. Okay, so since it is a product function, right, it is a product function, so we need to use another integration by part. So I just put by parts. Okay, alright, now we have to write what is your u. So your u will be, here we have exponent and trigonometric function. So your u will be the trigonometric function, cos 2x, and then your dv will be, yes, ex dx. Okay guys, okay, now we will have here, it is du dx. Okay, now you will get it is negative of sine 2x times 2. Now you will have your du is negative 2 sine 2x dx. Okay, then continue. We need to integrate your dv. Okay, we will have here v is ex. Okay, so what's the formula? The formula is uv. So uv minus integration of v du. Okay, then when you substitute here, you will get, okay, now you will have, it is the integration of ex sine 2x dx equals to, so ex sine 2x minus 2. Okay, then substitute formula. Now we will have here, it is uv, so your u is cos 2x, okay, and then your v is ex, okay, minus with, okay, so minus with the integration of v du. So what is your v? Ex, and your du is negative 2 sine 2x dx. Okay, so again this is uv minus integration of v du, right? Okay, now let's simplify. So simplify this one. We will have here ex sine 2x minus, so this one will be 2ex cos 2x, all right, and then plus, so plus we have here negative, negative is positive, and then we have another negative, so it should be minus, and then we also have 2 here and 2 here, then it will be minus with 4, and then the integration of ex sine 2x dx. Okay, let's see here. Okay, can you see here we have the similar terms in your left hand side and in your right hand side. So let's look at here. In your left hand side we have integration of ex sine 2x dx, and also in your right hand side we also have the integration of ex sine 2x dx. Okay, so what we can do is we will collect the similar terms in your left hand side. So this one we will bring to the left hand side. Okay, alright guys, let's continue. When you move to the right hand side, so we will have here the integration of ex sine 2x dx will be plus 4 integration of ex sine 2x dx, then it will be equals to ex sine 2x minus 2ex cos 2x. Okay, so now we can simplify. You will have here 4 plus 1, so this one should be 1 ex sine 2x, so 4 plus 1, you will get it is 5 integration of ex sine 2x dx equals to ex sine 2x minus 2ex cos 2x. Then since we want the integration of ex sine 2x dx, so we can simplify here, and we solve for the integration of ex sine 2x dx will be 1 over 5 ex sine 2x minus 2 over 5 ex cos 2x. Okay guys, so this is your final answer for this question. Alright?